How you doing? My name is Donovan Smith. I am an analyst in the anti-meridian. During the daytime, I analyze data, I aggregate it, I solve problems, I use my quantitative skill set in the anti-meridian. But in the post-meridian, as the evening starts to come to dawn, my cape goes on. My superhero name is Finding X. I am a math coach here in Cobb County, and I tutor kids who are in algebra, algebra 2, and a few middle schools who need help in math. Salute to all math teachers out there who are doing all the work in the anti-meridian. But in the post-meridian, where my gift is, I help students solve problems. I help students with the connections that they're not able to make in the daytime. Again, my name is Donovan Smith. I am a math tutor here in Cobb County, and I help students who need help in mathematics. That's my gift. And I am not going to be quiet about my gift. My gift is activated in the post-meridian. In the anti-meridian, I enjoy solving problems. Again, this is Donovan Smith, your math coach, and just kind of share a little bit more about myself. Math can be fun, and students need to be able to connect with their instructor and the ones who are kind of guiding them through the process. Thank you again. This is Donovan Smith, your math coach, where? In the post-meridian. Thank you.